What's up, folks? Today I got the ever popular Delkevic exhaust for the KLX300. So here it is. We got the oval, 14-inch oval stainless muffler. The mid pipe comes separate. It was in the box wrapped up separate. I already slid it in. You have the clamp on here they give you. They give you, of course, this clamp for up the front. You have the exhaust gasket on here. They give you your rear clamp that goes around the can. And they give you the spark arrestor and the quiet core, which I will be putting in. And they give you a shit ton of stickers. They give you some adhesive for up around your gasket. They do have this plug in the O2 bung here that I took out. Even more stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and get the factory exhaust off. I already have the O2 sensor loose. I got the clamp loose. You got bolt, bolt, bolt. This is actually a nut and a bolt, so I'm going to get this off. Get them weighed up, see what weight difference I have. And after I get it mounted up here, I'll tune back in and kind of went over what I had to do. Okay, got it on. Pretty simple, didn't take long. Now, I just used, this is still the factory muffler clamp here. I kept it on. They do give you one in the kit if you want to put it on. They also give you a new gasket. I just left the factory one in there. It slid right in, clamped up. Of course, you got the one bolt here, which it lined right up, went right in. Now, your O2 sensor, normally on your old exhaust, it was right in this area, like kind of down behind your subframe. Now, it's on back and it's kind of sticks out past your subframe here. There's your clamp, got that tightened up, and this is your band clamp. This comes separate from the exhaust, as you've probably seen in other videos. And when you put it on, there is one of these on top that is bent back probably at about a 45-degree angle, 30-degree angle. That's the one you want on the outside when you put it over the pipe, not the one that's basically at a 90. Put that on. Another thing too, when you tighten this up, you want to make sure your pipe is how you wanted it. Because I started to tighten this up, and of course my oval part of my pipe was canted. So I had to make sure it was straight, and then tightened it up. And I took out the I took this baffle out and put in the spark arrestor baffle, and it basically, I'll start it up here, but now it basically sounds like kind of like a Q4 is basically what it kind of sounds like. I did not use any of the sealant. I never do any of the bikes. They may leak a little bit, but I don't mind. Now I also, when I took the O2 sensor out, the oxygen sensor, this one had a lot of carbon on it, so the bike is running a little bit rich from the factory. So I cleaned it off real good with some contact cleaner and put it back in. Now I currently, right now, I still have my airbox snorkel in, all that, no fuel programmer on it. So I'm going to take it for a spin here, see if I feel any difference. Then I'll probably maybe pop the snorkel out, see if that's any difference. My main concern for this was I wanted to lose some more weight. And I took the old system off. It weighed 8.6 pounds. This system with the spark arrestor in it weighed 5.6. So right there is 3 pounds. So between my lithium battery and this exhaust up high on the bike, I shaved off 6 pounds, and that's not even including the tail tidy on the back. So that makes a big difference when you're riding off-road. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing, get it back together, take it for a ride, try a couple things, and I'll kind of get back to you guys and let you know on that. If you have any questions, put them down below. I mean, there's plenty of videos now on with these exhausts. Remember to like and subscribe, and hop on the KLX and get outside.